How to fix laptop webcam not working. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, make sure there are no defects in your hardware. After that, go to your start menu and then search for device manager. Now, go to cameras, double click camera and then select the camera. Right click on it and update the camera driver. Now, if the problem fixes, that's great, but if it does not, simply uninstall the camera device, and then reinstall it back. But make sure while reinstalling, you are using the authorized website. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.